Hello there, welcome to your Wednesday evening weather update from the Met Office. High pressure will influence our weather through tomorrow, so some fine conditions before more cloud and rain moves in as we head through to Friday. Now you can see this ridge extending from Scotland, but towards the west, this weather front here will bring again some persistent and maybe heavy rain to Northern Ireland as it makes inroads eastwards through Friday and into Saturday, before things then slowly warm up away from the far north and northwest of Scotland. For the time being, the few showers lurking out there, they will tend to fade away. So we will see some clearer skies. There's a weak weather front across the far north of Scotland, giving the odd spot or two of rain and a bit of a breeze here. And more cloud may just drift across from the North Sea across eastern counties. Clearer skies elsewhere and even some mist and fog patches as we enter the day on Thursday. Lowest temperatures will be the glens of Scotland, close to freezing here, so we could see some very localised frost as we head into the early hours of Thursday. Thursday morning starts like this, a bit cloudy towards the east and fine weather further west. Now through the day the cloud will break and we'll see some fine conditions coming through, some brighter breaks and even some sunshine. And despite the fact the cloud will be more stubborn across the northeast, even here we'll see that easing and the skies just clearing as we head through the latter part of the day. Now towards the west, notice this, the cloud will slowly thicken across Northern Ireland, rain already across the Republic of Ireland, and you can see some brighter echoes representing some more moderate bursts, and all of this is moving this way towards the east as we head through the next 24 hours. Before that though, temperatures will rise quite nicely in shelter where you see the sunshine coming in around 16, 17, even an 18 Celsius, with an onshore drift across the east there, probably pegged back to around 12 to 13 degrees Celsius. Now through Thursday evening and overnight, yet again there will be some clearer skies and perhaps even some mist in places. Towards the west though, it turns wet across Northern Ireland as the winds pick up some strength, and again some moderate if not heavier pulses of rain are possible as we head into Friday morning. So if you're heading out first thing on Friday, some unpleasant conditions if you're driving across Northern Ireland. That rain just hot on its heels across the western side of Scotland, and again with a keen breeze and some filaments of rain extending across West Wales as well as the West Country. Elsewhere through the day the cloud will break, again some sunshine coming through, temperatures 16 or 17 degrees Celsius, 13 or 14 along the east coast there, a bit more cloud but it will break at times, but towards the end of the day notice more of a breeze across western Scotland, some outbreaks of rain. The Isle of Man also seeing some showery bursts as we head through the latter part of the day. That weather front then marches its way eastwards on Saturday, so many areas seeing some showery bursts, more particularly towards the north, but you could catch some showers further south. And into Sunday that wind picks up some strength and we'll again see some wet weather extend from the west. But look at these temperatures. They are rising. It is going to feel warmer. So we could see 20 towards the east there. Further north, despite the fact there will be some showery bursts around 15 or 16 degrees Celsius, but still only 11 or 12 across the far north and northwest of Scotland with a brisk wind. So yes, temperatures are rising. More details on those temperatures as we head into next week. Check out our 10-day trend. This week it's with Honor, and I'll see you again soon.